So we got a flat tire here on the Steiner. We're gonna go ahead and fill this tire up. See if we can find the hole, repair it, and get it aired back up. Alright, so we got some air in the tire. Just got a little spray bottle, something, I don't know what it is, something with my wife's. So just kind of come around, spray. I can see it bubbling right away, so this is obviously the spot. It's actually it's a pretty big hole. So we'll have to see if we can fix it with a plug. Find out. So I just got this kit, Vehicle X, on Amazon. Lost my other kit when we moved, so just take this with the it's kind of got like file almost on it. Find your hole there. Just kind of clean that out a bit. This might be too big, but we'll see. So you're going to take this piece, grab one of these plugs, a little sticky. Alright, grab climb out. We're gonna stick it in here. So you kind of have that right in the middle there. Well, 50-50. Just gonna go ahead and push that down into the hole. Not quite the whole way. You want to leave some of that exposed, sticking out here a bit. And pull this back out. It's kind of sticking. All right. Put a little bit of this on here just to see if I got any bubbles yet. And I do not. So they give you this little razor knife, kind of cut it off a little closer to the tire. There we go. And let's throw some more air in here. Check for bubbles again. Not seeing anything. Make sure you check the pressure with your pressure gauge. Looks good. I'd call that fixed.